Well, hello, and thanks for visiting Cleaning Doctor, the home of professional outdoor and external cleaning, sealing, and maintenance services for homes and businesses throughout County Laois and County Offaly. I offer you local and trusted cleaning services that can add thousands to the value of your property. I am an expert in my industry, and you can employ me with total confidence, knowing that I'm fully trained and insured to clean and restore your property safely and effectively. At Cleaning Doctor, the standard of service we offer is delivered utilising our state-of-the-art equipment and premium Smart Seal approved cleaning and sealing products. Check out the hundreds of 5-star reviews that our products have received. Cleaning Doctor's comprehensive range of services and techniques allow me to clean and restore your driveways, patios, roofs, gutters, windows, indeed the entire outside of your property, leaving it looking as good as new. And you like this at a fraction of the cost of buying new. Once cleaned, I can additionally seal all types of surfaces around your home or business. We of course will best advise, and you decide. There are no high pressure seals, as we're all about giving you the knowledge to protect your surfaces. I am your local Smart Seal registered contractor, using only premium sealers that provide longer lasting protection for surfaces such as walls, block paving, imprinted concrete, tar macadam, paving slabs, natural stone, roofs, and much more. View the photo gallery on my website. I think you'll like what you see. For your total peace of mind, you can relax knowing all my work comes with a rock solid satisfaction guarantee, so you can rest assured that the job will be done properly by an expert. So, if you want outstanding cleaning and restoration results in your property that looks as good as new, but at a fraction of the cost of buying new, give me a call. Talk to you soon. Regards, Marco.